So here I'll be teaching you how to add topics differently. Let's say you remember our last um what's it called, our last class we created on marketing. So we'll be using that. So I'll show you how you can add topics differently. Let's say you're a teacher who has different topics related to that course or related to that class, and you need to add them differently. So I'll be teaching you how to add topics differently on the platform. So quickly, you're already familiar with the website, then you can click on login here. So once you are logged in, so input your details, the username or the email you used and the password you used the other time while creating an account. So once you're logged in, it brings you down to your dashboard. So here on your dashboard, you see add a new class. You can click on add a new class. So here we have, then we want to add topics differently. Here you can see add new topic. You click on add new topic, it brings you a box here where you have to type in the topic name, the topic summary. So then I said we'll be using what's it called, we'll be using the previous class we created on marketing and complete just as an example. So here is our what's it called, our course outline. You know you must have recorded videos on, let's say, what is marketing, history of marketing, and just to break it down, you must have had your videos ready on all of these topics. So now we want to be uploading, we want to be adding each of those topics into our courses and into our class creation on AME tutorial. So it's so easy, just follow. So the old class is titled marketing, and now our first our first topic is what is marketing. So I can just copy this out and I go here. Okay, that's it. Does it this what is marketing is my first topic. Then I can put a topic summary on learn. Let me use the word understand what marketing is all about. So it's just a summary. You should get a better summary that tells your students much more about what they're going to learn. So then you click on add topic. After that, add topic. So now the class is ready. No, the topic is ready rather. Then you click on lesson. If there are subtopics under this, what is marketing? You know, we actually have what's it called? We actually have some subtopics here, which is history of marketing. So that's to tell you I want to be adding another topic under what this topic here. What is marketing? So I can go back. So simple. So what? No, sorry. I think I copied the wrong thing. So history of marketing is what I need. History of marketing. So you can just clear this out. Then you can now put in whatever you want your student to know on history of marketing from history. So I think you understand history of marketing. So if you have any notes for your students to read, you can just put it out there. So you can upload a feature image. So I don't have a feature image now for that class. I can just leave it out. But what is the feature image all about? It's just a representation, an image that represents the topic. I mean the topic itself. So you can just go on Google, just search featured image for mathematics class or for such topic in mathematics or for lexis and structure in English, you understand? So I told you must have recorded a video on that specific topic. Then now let's say I have my video already on YouTube. Then I click on YouTube here, and here the link I told you, you can see the samples of link here, this example. So I can just paste the link here, then come down a little bit. So you can see video playback time. This is to tell you, okay fine, and this what is marketing or history of marketing rather, you'll be spending 5 minutes. So you can just type in here, this is 0 hours, this is 5 minutes, and the video will span 5 minutes. So let's say you already have, sorry, what's this? So let's say you already have a textbook or any material related to history of marketing, and you want your student to have access to that textbook. You can upload an attachment. So here is what we call enable topic preview. So your student actually sees insight into what they'll be learning in that topic. You can click, you can mark it, and you can leave it out. But it says what if checked, any user or guest can view this lesson without enrolling topic. So let's leave it out so that we don't have other people have access to it. Then you can click on update lesson. So it's so simple. Once you click on update lesson, you add it here. So you can see it here under history. Under what is marketing, we have history of marketing. So if you have any other topic which is under what is marketing, any other subtopic under what is marketing, you can just click lesson again. So now let's try and add quiz. If I have quiz assignment to this specific topic, so you can click on it. Once you click on it, it brings out, oh sorry, I said we want to add quiz, sorry, so you don't need to click on it again. So then you can click on assignments. I'll be adding assignment. So here you can say assignment from history of marketing. So I hope you understand the way I'm doing it. So if you don't understand, you can always ask questions. I'm here to guide you and to make things very easy for you. So simple. So history of marketing, and here I can just say my first question. So this is the founding fathers. Add your parties. So you can add your assignments, add them on like that. So here you can add attachments if you have attachments. What do I mean by attachment? Attachments are just extra materials for your student. So you can add a time duration and allowing students to take 5 weeks. You can select days, you can choose weeks, you can choose let's say 5 days so for them to submit that assignment. So if you don't have access to submission of that assignment after 5 days, so you can grade the assignment with 10 points. So minimum pass points, you can grade it as well. So if you want them to upload files, you allow to upload files so that they can upload. Let's say they have extra material, maybe they drew something or they wrote the answers out and they need to upload it, then you can allow it. But if not, then you can impute zeros to save that option. So now they'll not be able to upload it rather, so you can click on update assignments. So it's so simple. You can see assignment on history of marketing, so they know they will always have an assignment. You can always see it there. So if you're going to add another new topic different from what is marketing, then you can click on add new topic. So let's see our next topic here. So we are talking about build your marketing framework. You can see, okay, here you can scroll down now. So marketing framework. So you can just add your summary, whatever you have a summary, then you click on add topic. So it's so simple. You can scroll up again. Then you can see build your marketing. Then you can click lesson again to add some topics if you have. So let me say what is marketing? What is framework, right? Just come here. So if you have notes, you can just impute the notes that you have. You don't need to change anything. If you have a featured image, you can input that as well. So then here, you already know how to do it. If you have the video already uploaded on YouTube, click YouTube here, then you go and copy the video video link for that exact recorded video of what is frame 1, then you can just add it here. So the time frame you can add as well, and you click on update this. So it's so simple, it's not so hard to do. I hope you understand how it's been done. So quickly, let me show you how you add quiz to your lesson. If you want your students to take quizzes, so he says, well, type your quiz title. Let's say my quiz is on marketing. So you can see questions, settings, and advanced options. So this is the quiz info. So the quiz is on what is marketing. So just come up with a quiz that will engage your student. This actually makes the students well engaged. So you can add your questions if you have different questions. So here, write your question. So what's the question you want to be on the list? Okay, let me see. Maslow is a marketing author. So you can, the answer is required. Make sure this is marked answer required. So leave the randomize out. So here, so you can choose true or false, single choice, any options you want. It varies. You can see it here. You can choose options that fits in your quiz. So you can just decide to input the points so that people know. Okay, fine. You can display points. You might not display it. So they should know how important that question is. This is optional. You can add a description. Probably you have an hint to that question, so but you can leave it out as well. So you can add an option if you have options. So you can save if your answer to that quiz is true. You can save answer, but now we are not providing an option. So let's save and continue. So it's that simple, very simple. Sorry, okay, make sure you have an okay, let's save this as true. Okay, that's to tell you, that's to tell you that the correct answer to the first question is true. So anybody that actually chooses false then will be wrong. Then you can click on save. So if you want to add other questions, you can click add questions here. So and it's so simple, on and on it goes. So that's all about adding topics, quizzes, and assignments to your topic on AME tutorial. So I hope you all understand. I'll be happy to receive questions as well. So thank you.